Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss iPhone cannot be backup. For example, if you applied for backup, which means you have turned on the backup and you want to back up your iPhone into the iCloud, and you see a notification that your iPhone cannot be backup. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your iPhone is connected to internet connection, which means if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you have to check whether it is connected to Wi-Fi or not. Or after that, you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and the next thing you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it on again so that your Wi-Fi can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of general here. So here what you have to do, you have to click on general, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and here you have to simply reset all your network settings. In this way your network will be restarted, and any kind of error related to network will be resolved. And the next thing you have to do, you have to click on your Apple ID or your name, and here you have to click on iCloud. And the first thing you have to check whether your iCloud storage is not full, which means if the iCloud storage is full, you have to make sure you can delete any extra photos or videos so that storage is available for your backup. So if the storage is enough for the backup, the next thing you have to check whether your iCloud drive is turned on or not. And you can also check iCloud backup is on or not. And after that you have to simply turn on all your backup settings, and in this way you can simply solve the problem for your iPhone backup not backup problem. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.